surf, we keep doing them. Where's him coming from? Oh, here, huh?
Because that time the hole already. Things for ourselves and not just take it for granted that your family sit here.
And then I build up something right there, so.
Yes, baby.
China man, them a build this. Jesus. Big.
Yeah, man, we are sent here now, that's on Santa Cruz, you know?
Santa Cruz.
Yeah, man, Santa Cruz, place bad for show, man. Place mash up. Place mash up for show. Valley, you know? Whoa. Yeah, man.
Yo!
Yeah, man.
Yo!
Yeah, man. Place not still good at all, brother. But thank God, you know? Hey, Jesus Christ, good, you know, Jano?
Me I tell you.
Yeah, man, God good, bad, brother.
Instant kudu man.
Yeah, man, God good, bad, brother.
Yeah, man. Whole
Yeah, man, the place mash up just like what them sip on TV. Yeah, mash up. Knock over this now. Send to this place. Like Moses. Down. Yeah, show you next side of the view. Yeah. Place mash up. Yeah, man, church gone. The historical building, church gone in Lacovia. Methodist church or what? It gone, man. The whole of it mashed down flat. Wow. No, Johnny bad like out on TV. In a real life, he bad in a real life. He worse in a real life.
Yeah, man.
Watch that.
Watch your son. Watch your gas.
Yeah, man. Lock up same way. Shano. Now, where the water come from?
Spring, man. Underground spring. Moss.
Where the water flow, you know. Island bamboo, this is so. No. But the sun away, so but some of them big boys, if you go look, because they're still, you know. Go up in the market, go hustle. Alright, so this is Island bamboo. Well, it was Island bamboo. Island is here, but the bamboo gone. Island still there, but the bamboo gone. No, I'm not even joking about it. It's just humor. It's just a humor. I'm stressed out. Upon the bamboo them. Bisha, this is Island bamboo. I always love coming out. I always love drive through and look. You're coming out wrong, Bisha. But the bamboo them, this is my friend. Look at the place, look. My sexy wife, the one I video I personally have you. Island bamboo there. Island there, you know. But what I mean, the bamboo then gone. Still Island bamboo, one way traffic. Yeah, White Falls Road over there, sir. But flooded with water, man, wonderful water. Alright, so this is basically a lake. Well, I may assume it's one lake, almost one lake. I mean, I don't come from down there still, but yeah, man, water wicked down up on the main road, same way, man.
The worst.
I obviously.
Obviously the worst.
Obviously the worst. Cause dry water, dry, we just have subsides now, but craziness. Rasta Wagwan, now move.
Nah, move fire.
Now move fire. Oh, broke. man. Don't ask. How don't ask them, brother?
Still a
Alan Bamboo.
Come to middle quarters.
Middle quarters, coming on to middle quarters, the place
Come
mash up.
to what the famous river place name?
Oh, yeah, so we are coming. Alright, so we are coming up to Wyatt's Falls turn. Middle quarters. Middle quarters. Yeah, man. Place mash up, man. Place mash up. Mash up, mash up, mash up. Let's pray for these people in St. Elizabeth. And let's help them as best as we possibly can. It's a shrimp shop, you know, man. Normally you pass at the top of you buy a shrimp, you know. Everything flat, man. Everything flat. Newmarket 10, Leamington, Betheltown.
Shecklewood, that's when you go
Shecklewood, I want to go Mobile. That's a boy there. All green go.
That's when you go Mobile.
The place stand bad. Watch out. Big one go chase a root out. Big one go chase a root out from root and drop. Ambulance around seeing where people still a drop down there. People still not hope, you know. Watch out. Such a big building in the whole of the garden. Whole of the top garden. See them everything on show now. See there? Whole of the top garden. Yeah, man. Normal, man.